Aloha! Welcome to KTA Quick and Ona Recipes. I'm Chef Alyssa Moreau, and today we're going to be making oatcakes. Prepare the oven to 350 degrees. In a medium-sized bowl, mix together the oats, flour, sugar, salt, baking powder, cinnamon, and nutmeg. In a separate bowl, combine the dried fruit, vanilla, oil, applesauce, and water. Once both bowls are thoroughly mixed, add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and mix well. Place the mixture onto a clean and dry work surface and pat down firmly until it's approximately 1 inch high. Use a biscuit cutter to create oatcakes and place on a nonstick pan. Bake for 17 to 23 minutes or until nicely browned and firm. Start checking in at 17 minutes to monitor done-ness. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.